Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's learn how to fix Do Not Disturb keeps turning on an iPhone. Do Not Disturb actually turning on automatically. Well, to fix that, Do Not Disturb turning on automatically onto your phone, you actually need to first go to Settings, then go to Focus as you can see here. Click on it and click on Do Not Disturb. Well, sometimes what happened is that do not disturb option also have a scheduled, you know, column into it. You can actually schedule that when you want to uh, put on do not disturb onto your iPhone, onto your watch or something like that. Well, make sure to check out if there is no schedule time automatic that is triggered it, because that is the only reason if it is turning on back again. As you can see, when you scroll down, there is the option that is set a schedule. Have this focus turn on automatically at a set time or location or while using a certain app. Add schedule. If this add schedule column is not showing up onto your screen and there is some time, date or day or a location is showing up, then it means maybe by mistake or maybe in some time you have set it a schedule and now you just forget it. So make sure to reset it if there is any option, or otherwise delete that scheduled thing what you have done, maybe by mistake or maybe you just forget it. So make sure to check that out. This is the only reason and this is the only way to fix it up. So I hope this is going to be informative for you and you will get the idea how to do so. Thank you so much and may you all have a great day.